In last class, we started with calculation of error in extra lecture where I told 5 definition. One was most probable value, second absolute error, third final absolute error, fourth relative error, fifth percentage error. Now one sum I am doing to get the brush up of those formulas. Find the percentage error in percentage error in mass of a body measured as 4.00 gram, 4.02 gram, 4.04 gram, 3.96 gram, 3.98 gram. Find the percentage error in mass of a body measured as 4, 4.02, 4.04, 3.96 and 3.98. So first of all, I will give some name to the masses. Since it is mass, I can call M1. Had it been time, I would have called P1, P2, P3. Area A1, A2, A3. You can give any notation, still you will get full mark. But as per the alphabetical notation, mass is denoted by M1. So I'm writing let M1 is 4 gram, M2 4.0 gram, 2 gram, M3 4.04, M4 3.96 and M5 3.98. Most probable value is arithmetic mean. So it will be M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 divided by 5. Please copy this much first. Most probable value is arithmetic mean of all the observation. So here we have total 5 masses. Therefore, M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5 divided by 5. Once you complete, please tell me.
Sir.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Everybody has done. Can I clear it out?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 second.
Mayank, you got the paper?
No, sir.
Achha. Complete fast. What is this? Is very simple. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 divided by 5. Work will now start after this. Now I think everybody has done, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first mass M1 was 4, M2 4.02, M3 4.04 plus 3.96 plus 3.98 divide by 5. When you add all, you will get 20. So this becomes 4.0 gram. Okay, copy till this. We got most probable value as 4 gram.
Copied, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. After this, we have to find absolute errors. So whenever you are calculating percentage error from many observation, then we have sequence. First most probable value, then absolute error. Absolute error means error in the quantities. It is difference of most probable value and the observed value. So difference between most probable value and observed value. Difference between most probable value and observed. So total we have made 4 observation. Difference of each with the most probable value we have to find. So M bar we got 4 minus M1 is 4, that is 0, so equals to 0. M bar 4 minus 4.02, that will become minus of 0.02, that is nothing but 0.0. Then 4 minus 4.04, that will become minus 0.04, so equals to 0.04. Then 4 minus 3.96, that is 0.04, so equals to 0.04. 4 minus 3.98 equals to 0.02 equals to 0.0. So whenever it is absolute error, only we have to write magnitude. This box means modulus, where we have to write only the magnitude. So I calculated absolute error in first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Then we have to find final absolute error. Final absolute error is arithmetic mean of all the absolute error. So first complete this much, then I am doing that. If this comes in entrance, please try to do at the end because of lot of calculation.
Done, sir.
Mostly they will give only 3 quantities.
Done, sir.
Okay. Can I clear? If anybody has not done, please tell.
You can clear.
Okay. Now final absolute error delta M bar is arithmetic mean of all the absolute error. So 0 plus 0.02, 0.04, 0.02, 0.04 upon 5. So this will be 0 point when you add 4 and 2, 8, 8, 4, 12, 12, 4, 2, 6, 6, 4, 10, 12. Carry 1. So 0 0.12 upon 5, that becomes 0.
0.06.
No, 6 kaisa? 0
Sorry.
0.02.
0.0.
0.024.
Yes, right on.
Done, sir.
No, बाकी लोग का थोड़ा बाकी है. Let them also complete. 0.024.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we have done 3 calculation. Most probable value, absolute error, final absolute error. Now it is relative error multiplied by 100 will give you percentage error. Relative error is equals to ratio of final absolute error and most probable value. So final absolute error we got 0.024, most probable value we got 4, 0.006. 0, 2 is not divisible, 0, then 24, 0.006. Percentage error is delta m bar upon m into 100. So it is relative error 0.006 into 100. That is equals to 0.6%. So finally we got percentage error 0.6%. Complete till end.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now comes very important part, one some mostly asked in the exam, propagation of errors. It is not calculation of error, it is called propagation of error. That means when you do any operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power, then how this error will get moved ahead or what will be resultant. That is called propagation of error. So we'll start with addition, subtraction, then go to multiplication, division, then go to power. So one by one we are studying all. Very important, as I said, one sum guaranteedly it will be asked in exam. So first part, it is addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. Suppose V1 is volume which is 2 centimeter cube plus or minus 0.02 centimeter cube, and V2 is 4 centimeter cube plus or minus 0.04 centimeter cube. I want total volume with error limit. With error limit means when you add the volume, what will be the answer with proper error. So first step is we have to add, इसको बोलते हैं actual value, इसको बोलते हैं error, plus or minus something is called error in that quantity. So total volume V is sum because we have to add, find total volume with error limit. That will be 2 plus 4, which is equals to 6 centimeter cube. For error, we have to add again. So total error will be 0.02 plus 0.04 that is same as 0.06 centimeter cube. So our actual volume will be with error limit 6 plus or minus 0.06 centimeter cube. This is one of the easiest when you are adding addition of the actual and addition of error. This is final answer. Just copy this, then we'll see what will happen in subtraction. So actual operation you will perform first, then rule comes. While adding, error gets added. Completed?
Wait, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. I'm just clearing. Same problem. Now difference we are finding. When you want difference in volume, first operation is same. V1 minus V2 come magnitude. So this is 2 minus 4, that is equals to minus 2. Difference of volume is 2. But for error, whether you are adding or subtracting, remember error is always added. So total error will be 0.02 plus 0.04 equal to 0.06. So when you are subtracting, then volume will be by operation 2, and then error is always added. So remember, whenever we add or subtract, error is always added. So actual operation, the way it is given. For error, always addition. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, just copy few more examples I'm giving.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, why did we take the difference over here?
Because question is find difference.
Okay.
First part is find add, second part is find difference. Two values were given. We have to find sum and difference with proper error limit.
Sir, in the final answer, why aren't we taking plus or minus?
It's my mistake. Plus minus. Sorry, sir. Plus minus. While writing, we have to write in this format.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, can I clear this? Few more
Yes,
examples.
sir.
Let's say. One more example. Let us take. If R1 equals to 5 plus or minus 0.05 ohm and R2 equals to 2 plus or minus 0.01 are in series, then what is R equivalent? From 10th standard, you all know when two resistors are in series, result is sum. I think everybody knows this. Two are in series, result is sum.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means R equivalent in series, I can say it is R1 plus R2. So first operation, simple addition, 5 plus 2, 7. But with proper error limit, if I see, then this two error I have to add. So directly I can say, therefore, R in series is the actual value plus or minus 0.06 with error limits. They say error limit. Anybody who has not followed this? Everybody has followed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just reading. Everybody is done? Aryan?
Yes, sir. Yes.
First part was addition, subtraction. Second, suppose it comes multiplication. Yes, Mohit? What you want?
No, sir, nothing. By mistake.
Area is length into breadth. Whenever we want error, dA in area or dl in length, if it is multiplication, then we find relative error. Relative error means actual error upon actual value. That we usually write as delta A. This was absolute error. Delta A upon A. तो इसको रेशियो को रिलेटिव एरर भी बोल सकते हैं फॉर इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू. This equals to delta L upon L plus delta B upon B. So if we want area error, first we will write in this format for multiplication. Delta A upon A is delta L upon L plus delta B upon B. How it came after few more lectures, if you want, I will explain, but this is our formula. Delta A upon A is delta L upon L plus delta B upon B. I am interested in this delta part. Once I get area, then easily I can get delta A by substituting values here. Suppose we take some examples. If length equals to 4 plus or minus 0.04 in centimeter and breadth is 2 plus or minus 0.02. Find area with proper error limits. So first step is very simple. Actual area is length into breadth. It is 4 into 2, that is 8 meters square. This is as it is. Now I will be using this formula. Okay, just copy it in this, then one more line I write it.
Done, sir.
Okay. So we got length and breadth, say actual area by calculation, length into breadth, that is 8 meters square. Now to calculate its error, we have to follow certain rule. Rule is whether it is addition, subtraction or division, anything error is always added. Here it is relative error added. So since A is L into B, so dA upon A will be dL upon L plus dB upon B. A we got by calculation 8, dL is 0.04, L is 4, dB is 0.02 upon B is 2. So this we can write as 4 into 0.01, 0.01. So dA upon 8 is 0.02. Therefore, dA equals to 0.16 meters squared. Therefore, area with limit of error will be 8 plus or minus 0.16 meters squared. All sums are simple. Just remember rules properly in this chapter. So,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
So why did you take DA?
Is
Okay,
this
delta. The Aryan.
what you are saying?
So why did you take DA upon A?
D and delta are same.
Okay, okay,
Whether you write D or you write delta, yes.
okay.
D stands for notation small k. Same way delta also stands for small k.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Now suppose I'm just giving examples. Mass is density into volume. Then how you are going to find error in M? Same method.
Yes, sir.
Delta D एक ही है. So delta M upon M will be delta rho upon rho, delta B upon B. So if I know density and volume with error limit, I can find mass also with proper error limit. If it is some general, Z is XY, how will you solve this? Delta
Delta Z upon Z. Delta X upon
X plus delta Y.
Y upon Y.
Just write down. Then I'm giving examples also, don't worry.
Done, sir.
Suppose we have got a 3 factor wala quantity. Now how you are going to do? इधर 2 था 1 2 1 2 अभी 3 है क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं same method. Delta P upon P is delta A upon A plus delta B upon B plus delta C upon. 4 रहेगा तो plus 1 more. This is how we are going to do. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Suppose it is division. See, main operation is same, division to division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Only while addition or subtraction error at. If multiplication, then find relative and then find delta. That means that limit of error. If it is division, like y equal to a upon b, no change whether it is multiplication or division, error formula will be found by same method. This is delta a upon a plus delta b upon. So whether it is division, whether it is multiplication, this error part will remain same. You have to add the relative errors. If it is z equals to a b upon c, now what you will do? Multiplication भी है, division भी है. Same ही करना है. Always add delta a upon a plus delta b upon b plus delta c upon c. This is the rule to find relative error. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if it is
Yes, sir.
into, then also say. If it is division, then also same. That means add relative error. Right? Two examples, two formulas.
Done, sir.
Suppose it is in power form. If a quantity is multiplication as well as division and some powers are also present, then remember power becomes multiplier. Power becomes multiplier. So delta y upon y is 2 times delta a upon a plus 3 times delta b upon b plus 4 times delta c upon c. Power becomes multiplier. Write this one. Power becomes multiplier.
Done, sir.
Tell me for this, how will you proceed? If P is n cube n square upon q square, how you are going to write? Error wala part. Delta P upon P. Tell the first one.
3 del 3
3 times delta m upon m
upon n
plus 2
plus
times
2
delta.
times delta n upon n
Very good. Plus 2 times
plus 2
delta
times
q upon.
q upon q.
Yes, right. So almost I think you have understood the concept to find error.
Yes, sir.
एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ परसेंटेज, फिर थोड़े न्यूमेरिकल्स कराता हूँ, आइडिया आ जाएगा.
Done, sir.
If phi is a raised to n, p raised to n upon c raised to p, find percentage error in y. See how to find. Relative error multiplied by 100 is called percentage error. So delta y upon y is m times delta a upon a plus n times delta V upon V plus P times delta C. So for percentage, you multiply throughout by 100. I'm multiplying throughout by 100. Throughout means each term by 100. This means percentage error in Y is M times percentage error in A. That means power has become multiplier. Plus N times percentage error in B plus P times percentage error in C. This one everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
First जैसा power का method है same, then multiply throughout by M 100. So it is percentage error in Y is M times error in A, N times error in B plus P times error in C. Got it.
Done, sir.
Okay. Based on this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power, percentage, I'm doing few sums so that you get basic idea for everything. First, a piece of material. Now in measurement, in extra lecture, I have completed everything except instrument. That also I will do for you all. Screw gauge and vernier caliper. In syllabus of 11th, they have deleted, but in entrance, they have not told anything. So we will do this after completing scalar vector part. So that scalar vector is coming up frequently, you know that part perfectly. A piece of material X is given to us. Mass is 40 gram with error of 0.4 gram and its volume is 10 centimeter cube with error limit of 1 centimeter cube. Find density. Find density. So if I write in notation, M is mass, which is given as 40 plus or minus 0.4 gram. V is volume given as 10 plus or minus 1 centimeter cube. I am interested in density with proper error limits. Just copy till this, then I am explaining.
Done, sir.
Okay. So we got mass, we got volume, we are interested in density with proper error limit. I'm clearing this. First step, normal operation. Density is mass upon volume. Mass is given 40, volume is 10. So we got 4 gram centimeter cube. Then since rho is m upon v, So delta rho upon rho will be delta m upon m plus delta v upon. Delta rho I have to calculate. Rho we got 4. Delta m is given 0.4. M is 40. Delta v is 1 and v is 10. So delta rho equals to upon 4 equals to 4 into 10, 0.1. So 0.01 plus 0.1. That means delta rho upon 4 will be 0.11. So delta rho is 0.44. So density with error limit equals to 4 plus or minus 0.44 लिखने रहा बराबर 4 plus or minus 0.44 gram centimeter raised to minus. I think everybody is following.
Yes, sir.
Oh, easy. Do it.
Done, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, just a second.
Yes. I'm not, unless until everybody is agreeing, I will not clear.
Done, sir.
Can you clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Next question. The length of wire is 4 centimeter plus or minus 0.04 centimeter. Radius is 1 centimeter plus or minus 0.01 centimeter. Find volume of wire. Now we all know volume of wire. Wire is like cylinder, right? So wire is like cylinder. Volume is pi r square into length. Are you knowing this formula? Volume of cylinder pi r square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first step I'm doing normal operation. That is 22 by 7. R is 1 square. Length is 4. So volume becomes 88 by 7. This is centimeter cube. Now for error, since V is pi r square L, so delta V upon V. So see, pi is constant. So don't write this as delta pi upon pi. Constant में error नहीं रहेगा, so don't write this. Now power becomes multiplier. Delta R upon R plus delta L upon L. So delta V upon V, at the end I am substituting the values. क्योंकि वो fraction में इधर जगह नहीं है. 2 into delta R is 0.01 upon 1. Delta L 0.04 upon 4. Copy till this. Just remember, constant don't write as delta pi upon pi. Or if it is some number 3, don't say delta 3 upon 3.
Done, sir.
Everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now delta V upon 88 by 7 equals to 0.02 plus, if you cancel that, it will be 0.01. So delta V upon 88 by 7 is 0.03. Delta V is 88 by 7 into 0.03. So delta V equals to 3 8s are 24, 24 and 2 26 after 2-digit decimal upon 7. So therefore now volume becomes 88 by 7 plus or minus 2.64 upon 7, that many centimeter cube. Right. In exam, generally values will be such that it will be divisible. मैंने ऐसी value दिया था, I didn't got divisible. Method you have to understand.
Done, sir.
Okay. One.
Done, sir.
Everybody understand?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No. Just now.
Complete. Complete.
Done, sir. Done.
Many times asked. The voltage V equals to 100 plus or minus 5 volt, and current I equals to 10 plus or minus 0.2 ampere. The percentage error in resistance R is how much? So first R means V upon I, which is 100 upon 10 equals to 10. थोड़ा चेंज कर देता हूँ, परसेंटेज एरर नहीं बोलता हूँ. Find value of resistance R. So we got R. Now delta R upon R is delta V upon V plus delta I upon I. So delta R upon 10 is equals to 5 upon 100 plus 0.2 upon 10. So delta R equals to 10 into 5 upon 100 plus 10 into 0.2 upon 10. See, I have just multiplied everywhere 10, 10, 10. So this 0 will get cancelled. Here also 0 will get cancelled. So we get, here I am writing at the top, 0.5 plus 0.2. That means 0.7. Now can you tell me what will be value of resistance?
10 plus or minus 0.7.
Correct. So 10 plus or minus 0.7 ohms is the required answer. So
Done, sir.
one second. Final answer 10 plus or minus 0.7. One more and the last sum, because mostly college exam will ask that. Last is resistance R equals to 10 plus or minus 0.7 ohms. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear कर देता हूँ. College exam के लिए बहुत important है. If velocity of body is 10 plus or minus 0.1 meter per second and mass is 5 plus or minus 0.5 kg. Find percentage error in kinetic energy. Find percentage error in kinetic energy. Which quantities error we want? Kinetic energy, correct? What is formula for kinetic energy?
Half mv square.
Half mv square. So I can say kinetic energy denoted by E is half mv square. So percentage error in E, half में error होएगा?
No,
sir.
No.
it is a constant.
Yes. So percentage error in M plus 2 times percentage error in V. That means percentage error in E is dm or delta m, whichever way you prefer, into 100 plus 2 times dv upon v into 100. Any doubt till this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Copy till this. Space is not there. Then percentage error in E is percentage error of m plus power becomes multiplier. Power is 2. 2 times percentage error in V. Now, dm is 0.5. M is 5 into 100 plus 2 times dv is 0.1 upon v is 10 into 1. 0, 0 get cancel. 5 into 0.1. So 0.1 into 100 is 10 plus 2 into 0.1 is 0.2 into 10 is 20 into 0.1 equals to 2. So final answer 12 volts.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done. A final 12. Mostly in college exam, if they are keeping exam of subjective, तो जरूर आएगा ही. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we are going to meet with law of motion chapter. Very interesting.